Hello friends, I will tell you how to use Chatgpt in Word and we will examine it together. You press the Enter button. As you can see, there is the Chatgpt Excel Word icon on the far right. You click on it. As you can see, Chatgpt is opened. If Chatgpt is not set, I click on the Home tab, click on the Plugins tab on the far right, type Chatgpt in the Search Plugin section. I click on the Add button next to the Chatgpt Word Excel application. Now you have the Chatgpt plugin. When you click on the Login tab, you can see it in the upper right corner and you will start using it when you click on the icon. Now let's test Chatgpt and see what it is useful for. My favorite feature of Chatgpt and other artificial intelligence is that you can write as if you were talking to your friend. You do not need to make a sentence like a title. I said write me a story about cats in English. As you can see, I wrote in English and it immediately wrote what I wanted. The reason I wrote in English is because Word and Chatgpt work as separate applications. In other words, Chatgpt works in your Word, but independently and uniquely. If we continue, we click on Insert. As you can see, when I clicked on the Insert, it wrote directly to my Word. This is very practical and well thought out. Let me write it in Turkish. Yes, it is always like this with beautiful things, they are expensive and expensive, you have 2 usage rights per day. Well, would you like to read the Turkish version of what he wrote to us? If you glance at the screen. For example, there are additions such as a moonlit night and cobblestone. First of all, literary genres and narratives are coded. There is a term called descriptive narrative. For example, if you say my house is beautiful, it is a literal expression. If you say my house becomes magical on a moonlit night, it is like a descriptive expression. As far as I understand, all types of literature, expressions, and characteristic features of the authors are loaded into Chatgpt. Of course, I'm just giving examples from literature, sports, cinema, whatever comes to mind, they all have detailed coding like this. That's why you can try it in a much more advanced way while taking advantage of Chatgpt. For example, write me a cat story in the style of the Marquis de Sade. For example, prepare a CV that describes me, taking into account Cristiano Ronaldo's success. You can benefit not from simple things like the examples, but also from very advanced topics. As for the price, I recommend it for professionals, but I think it is expensive for most people. There are more suitable artificial intelligence applications in this regard, we will talk about them in future videos. Comment is yours, take care of yourself. Technology enthusiasts, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.